Hello friends, Radhika Ravikumar here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see a very important topic in PL SQL, that is called collections. So what exactly is the collection? First I'll give the definition and I'll make you guys understand how this collection works. So a collection is nothing but an array of it's an array like structure, sorry. So we all might have learned, if you are having this CS background, then you will be knowing about the C programming language, where we have learned about array, right, where it will be storing multiple values in it, a variable which will have multiple values in it, that is called array, right? So collections also a similar kind of thing, where a collection is nothing but it's an array like structure, and which can store multiple values in it, values, or else you can say records. What is a record? I'll tell you that as well. Value with one or more columns. Okay, what exactly does this line mean is, for example, how is a normal variable, for example, there is a variable called var. How exactly this var character looks like, a normal variable, how it looks like is, it's very simple. Think that this is a complete a variable record, or a variable called var, and it will be having what, like, it's a one row and one column, right? You can see it's a one column and one row kind of thing. So this is a normal like variable. Okay, so that is what a normal variable looks like. Just to give a proper demonstration, when we say a row type, when we say like what do you say, like we record, like a variable, a record type, how does that look like? So a record, variable record, is nothing but it is a one row and multiple column, right? So how does that look like? Nothing, it's very simple. So you can see here, this, you can consider this complete thing as a vrec variable, that is a record type, and it is having one row and multiple column. You can see multiple columns are there. This is one column, this is one column, like this is one column, this is one column, right? So one row and multiple columns. This is what is a one record variable. So you guys are understanding, I guess. But coming to another or we can say what exactly this collection means. Collection is nothing but, it's very simple, that as I mentioned, collection is nothing but it's a collection of records. That's how a collection is like. So for example, if I say I have a variable called, or a collection variable called var, then how does this look like? Very simple. So let me just give you this example. This is a variable type, and consider this as a, like, this is an ID, and this is the name, and this is the location, and this is the salary, and this is the job, something like that. And these are the number of records, like this will be the first record, this will be the second record, this will be the third record. So whenever I want to fetch a record, like I want to fetch the ID of the first person, and how do you do that? It's nothing but var of I'll say first one, right? First, then dot ID is equal to sorry, this is what is a first record, so that will be fetching as the first ID. Then if you want to fetch the second, like var of second row, and which value do you want? I want like the job of the second record. So this is how you fetch it. So it's nothing but collection of records. So this is what is called as a, that's why we say that collection is nothing but an array of array like structure. That's what I mentioned here. It's an array like structure. So this is a basic introduction to collections. So there are so what exactly is the advantages of okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take up this advantages and what are the collection types and the attributes that are available in the next tutorial. Hope you guys have understood till here the basic introduction to collections. So just go through the video once again if you haven't understood, and if there are any queries, then please do mail me to plsequel.informatica@gmail.com. There might be delay in replying, but for sure I'll reply when I get time. And keep supporting my videos and like my video and share these videos among your friends and family. And thank you very much for watching.